Hey guys, it's Kylie. I'm gonna make a blended iced coffee. I am more on a iced coffee phase right now. I haven't had any warm coffee since I am recovering from being sick. I've been sticking to cold. So I am doing some ice, adding in some caramel protein shake. I'm adding in a little bit of caramel skinny syrup. Oh, gotta open it still. And then I've decided that I'm gonna add 2 little teaspoons of peanut butter powder. I just thought like a caramel peanut butter coffee sounded good. I use the magic bullet all the time to make coffee because it makes it perfect and blended, almost like getting a blended drink from a coffee shop, but way cheaper. And there you go. You can top it with sugar-free Cool Whip if you want, or you can drink it just how it is, and it's perfect. There's just ice, protein shake, skinny syrup, and then this is not necessary. I just wanted to add a little bit more protein to it. Normally it's a 2 tablespoon serving, but I did 2 teaspoons instead. So, okay, love you guys.